Hello, Quad Computer Centre.
Hi, I've just been looking at your website and I noticed that you offer a service that allows you to fix computers online. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
So how do you do that exactly?
Well, what we can do is connect to your computer through a remote link and basically have full control of it to resolve any issues that you have.
Is that secure?
Oh, it's very secure. Where I am, the actual screen is shielded, meaning I'm the only person who can see what is happening on the screen. Also, we have all the latest technology and the most advanced firewall on our machine, so you're totally protected from any viruses or any spyware.
But I take it you can see what's on my computer.
Yes.
So what happens when we've finished? Are you still able to see everything that's on my computer?
No, once I've actually finished what I'm doing on your system and hopefully fixing your problems, I end the session, and once I've ended that session, we will not be able to get back into your system without a series of steps of putting a passcode in.
Okay, and who puts the passcode in?
You do. You have full control.
Oh, so if I don't put the passcode in, you can't access my computer, is that right?
That's correct. No authorization means I cannot get into your system.
Right, okay. Oh, well, that's all right then. Well, I've got a problem with my printer.
Okay.
Are you able to resolve issues with that?
Yes, normally printer issues are software-based problems, so yes, hopefully I should be able to. What operating system have you got?
Vista.
Oh, right, okay. And it's not printing at all?
Not at all.
Okay. If you would like, we can connect to your computer ASAP and hopefully resolve this issue for you. All we have to do is go through a few simple steps. Anything you need to ask me, just ask.
Okay then, so what do I do now?
What I want you to do for me, please, is go to your browser on your computer.
Okay.
And I want you to type in the website address, which is www.logmein123.com.
Okay, I've got a screen come up saying enter your 6-digit code.
That's correct. If you could please put in there this code that I'm going to give you, which is 485837. Then please click the link that says connect to technician.
Okay, I've done that.
Okay, you will get a few pop-ups now, which will ask you a couple of questions. If you want to ask me, and I'll give you the right answers.
Do I want to run or save this file?
You want to run the file.
Okay, I've done that. It's come up again.
Yeah, if you could click run on that one too, please.
I've now got a pop-up box which says Crawley Computer Centre, a support representative will be with you shortly.
That's correct. I can currently see your computer now on my screen. What I'm going to do is connect to this computer. Now what happens is, because you've got Vista, you've got something that blocks me out called user account control. So it may be a delayed startup, which will be less than a minute, but no worries, and it'll be connected soon. There will be a couple more things that will pop up to ask. Again, just tell me what they say and I'll let you know what to click.
I've got one now. It says user account control is enabled on this PC.
If you could please click OK for me.
Okay, done that.
Okay.
Oh, I've got another one. Do I just press continue?
Yeah, what that will be, it will be your user account control kicking in, which is basically what I'm trying to disable at the moment. If you could please click and continue on that, that lets me have access.
Okay.
Now you will find out that if you have a good firewall on your system, it will ask to unblock the service. If you could please unblock it if that does come up.
Okay. Oh. It says technician 1 would like to perform one or more actions. I take it I okay then.
Yes please. Right, I'm now moving your mouse around the screen.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yes, I can see everything on your desktop.
Can I move my mouse as well?
What we like to say is if you could not move the mouse or keyboard during the time that we have access to your computer would be much appreciated. Basically this is because it stops us from working. It mucks up what we're doing basically.
So it slows you down, I suppose.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Alright, fair enough.
Okay, so the printer's not printing at all.
No.
Okay. I'll just check the settings for you, and hopefully we'll get this issue resolved. You have more than one printer, is that correct?
Yes, I've had a few over the years.
Right, okay. What is your actual current default printer at the moment?
Let me check.
Okay.
Epson Stylus DX6000.
Right, okay. I think I found the problem already with this.
Oh, good.
Now, what I'm just going to do, I think I've already resolved it. I'm just going to try a test print. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So it's a Epson DX6000 that's your main printer?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second please. Hopefully it should be printing.
Well, it sounds like it's going to print. It's the closest I've got so far. Yeah, it's printing.
Oh, good. Let me know if it prints the page properly.
Okay. Well, that was quick, really, wasn't it?
Yes, most of these issues with doing remote assistance are mainly like basically options that are unticked or ticked that are the wrong settings. So they can be fixed rather quickly.
Might I have time to do another one that annoys me at the moment then?
Okay.
This test page is fine, so
Good.
that's working now. Which
That's
is
all resolved.
That was so quick. So
Okay. What the problem was with that was that your actual printer you use as your default, your main printer, was not set as your default printer. So that was just a simple setting that I changed across.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, well another annoying thing that happens, and it doesn't happen often,
Okay.
but my computer just switches off.
Okay. Does it do it a certain length of time, or?
Well, I don't really know that it's a certain length of time, but I can tell you it's not often, so...
What I'll do, that's either going to be a software or a hardware problem. I'll just check the settings again of your machine.
It's funny about the printer though, because I can't understand why that would have changed over if you say that it wasn't the default printer, because it was working on the default yesterday.
Well, what can happen, it shouldn't just change like that. It could be one of three things. It could be a program that you've installed that has actually changed your default printer for you. Some programs can do that. Two, it's someone actually physically changed it. So someone at the actual PC has actually gone and clicked that setting, changed the actual default printer.
Right.
Or third, and worst of all, it could possibly be a virus. What I'll do for you is just check you've got the sufficient security system on your computer, and then I'll give you some advice from there.
Okay.
I'm just checking your settings here. And did you know that your computer got put to sleep every 1 hour?
No.
Which would switch the system off.
Oh, that accounts for a lot then.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So you
Can
didn't know
take
it
that
had
off?
that setting?
No, I didn't. No.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll turn it off to never. Okay, so the screen turns off every 15 minutes, which is standard, but it was on sleep, which was for every hour.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's probably what your problem is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well that was good.
I'm just going to check your antivirus system. What antivirus do you have on here?
AVG.
Okay. It's a good antivirus, that. Okay, so you've got the full business version. That's good.
Yeah. Can't afford to be without it these days.
No,
can you?
no, definitely. Okay, so everything's active. It's all up to date. So there should be no problems with that. As long as you're doing a scan once a day, your computer should be virus free. But what I would recommend to you, settings don't change on their own. So if it does happen again, I really recommend you get a local a health check to your system, which basically cleans out any registry problems, anything like that with your system.